Hello and welcome to Prakash Academy. Today we are going to do a very easy topic, that is simple interest. So watch the full video, and if you like the video then please give some feedback in the comment box, and if you are new to this channel please subscribe the channel. So for simple interest we have one formula, that is P into R into T by 100. Now what is P? P is a principal amount. What it means? Suppose I took loan from someone. I need some money, someone gave me the loan, and if he is giving me like 10,000, just example I am doing it. Suppose he gave me rupee 10,000 as P, as a loan. Now that is simple interest that we will do later. Now rate of interest. Now that person will say, okay, I'll give you the amount but I will charge some rate of interest. Suppose he charged me 10% per annum. 10% per annum. It means yearly we have to pay 10% interest on this amount. Now he will say time. He will give me the loan for 5 years. Now 10% interest I have to pay, and time I need 5 years to repay the loan, and amount that I have taken from that person is 10,000. Now in this 5 years, that SI, some simple interest or interest, it means SI is simple interest or interest that I have already written here. So it means after 5 years I will pay him the amount, but the total amount that I am going to pay is this 10,000 principal amount and plus something as an interest, that is simple interest. So it means I have to pay this 10,000 along with some interest, that we say amount or final amount. Final amount is P plus SI. So this is the formula, and based on that we can derive two more formulas, or we can say three more formulas. Okay, like suppose if we have to find P, everything is given. If we have to find rate, and if we have to find T. So we'll do one by one along with some questions. Now the formula of SI is P into R into T by 100. So we can also write it as P into R into T, cross multiply, equal SI into 100, because nothing means simply 1. Now do cross multiply, P into R into T equal SI into 100. And if we have to find P, so P formula is SI into 100, use linear equations, and that R into T will come down. The same way, if we have to find rate, the rate formula is SI into 100, and by P and T will come down, P into T. The same way, if I have to find time, then it will be SI into 100, and P and R, P and rate, P into R will come down. So it means from this formula only we derive three more formulas. Now we are going to do some questions based on this one. Now our question is, find the simple interest on rupee 5,000 for 6 years at 10% per annum, also find the amount. So nothing to do, simply first we have to write down the formula. SI equal P into R into T by 100. Now if I am using the formula, then P, find the simple interest on rupee 5,000. So that 5,000 is going to be our principal amount, 5,000 into, now rate is 10% per annum, already it's given in annum, so into 10, and time 6 year, already it's given in years, then 6 divide by 100. Now 1 0 1 0 2 2, both 2 zeros will got cancelled. Now what is remaining now? If you do multiplication, 5 into 6 30, and 1 2 2 times 0, it means 3000. This is the simple interest. Now they are asking find the simple interest that we got. Also find the amount. So amount, if the person is going to repay the loan or repay the amount, so he will pay this 5,000 plus this additional as a interest. Okay, as a interest. So it means amount equal P and plus simple interest. Then total amount equal this P is 5,000 and plus simple interest I got 3,000. So it means total he has to pay 8,000. So for this question SI equal 3,000 and the amount, final amount or total amount is 8,000. So again we will continue with some other type of questions. The question is find the simple interest on rupee 4,000 for 2 1/2 years. So we are going to do some rough work. 2 1/2 and years. So 2 1/2, this is mixed fraction. So convert into improper. So 2 into 2 plus 1. 2 into 2 plus 1 by 2. So what I got? I got 2 into 2, 4 plus 1. I got 5/2. It means time is going to be 5/2 and yes. Now again use each and everything whatever is given. Then SI equal P, that is already 4,000 into rate 8. Now time we got 5/2. So 5 and 2 will come down with 100. This is the way we are going to do when it is given in fraction. So 5/2. Now again 2 0 got cancelled and 2 simply 4s are. So we got SI 4 into 4 16, 16 5s are 80 and 1 0 800. We got SI. Now again amount or the final amount that we are going to pay is P plus SI. Then final amount will be 4,000 plus 800. So it is going to be 4,800 is the final amount for this question. This is easy. Now again we will continue with some more questions. Now the next question is find the simple interest on rupee 2,400 for 8 months at 6 1/4% per annum. Also find the amount. Now P is 2,400. Time is month, but time we need in years. So month, when we convert into years, we divide by 12. 4 2 and 4 3. So it means time we got 2/3 years. Always we do like that. When month is given, then divide by 12, we got years. When day is given, days, then divide by 365, we got the years. Now rate equal 6 1/4. So it is going to be 4 into 6 plus 1 by 4. So rate we got 4 into 6 24 plus 1 25/4 percentage. Now again use the same formula. SI equal P into R into T by 100. Then SI is going to be P we have 2,400 into rate. Now we rate we got 25. I told you 25 will come, 4 will come down. Time we got 2/3. So 2 and 3 and by default 100 will come as a formula. 2 0 cancel. 4 how many times? 4 6s are 24 and 3 2s are 6. So we got SI 25 into 2. 25 into 2 50, 50 into 2 100. We got SI as 100. Now we have to find the amount that we have done. Amount formula is P plus SI. So amount is going to be P we have 2400 and plus 100. So total amount that have to pay after 8 months is 2500. It's very easy. So basically simple interest we have only one formula. Now we'll do some other type of questions. Suppose if we have to find P, if we have to find rate, and if we have to find T, then we are going to do one by one questions based on this one. One, how to find P, how to find rate, and how to find time. Then I think then it will be easy to everyone. Now our next question is, what sum will give SI as 72? SI simple interest is 72 rupee at 8% per annum simple interest in 73 days. Sum means principal amount we have to find. Then we know the P formula is SI into 100 and rate into time. Now we have to find the P. Now SI is already given 72 into 100. Whatever data is given, just put in this formula, we'll get the answer. Now rate is 8% and time 73 days. Time always in years. I told you time is now 73 days. So when days we have to convert into years, then divide by 365. And when we do simplification, 1s are 5s are. So it means time we got 1 by 5 here. Now in this one what we have to do, time will come on the place of denominator and time is 1 by 5. So 1 will come here and 5 will go on the place of numerator. We do like that. Now do simplification, then 8, 9s are 72, then the principal amount equal 45 and 2 times 0. So this is the way to find P when other things are given. Now we'll do one other question to find rate and one more question we'll do to find the time. Now the next question is, at what rate percent per annum will rupee 4,500 amount to rupee 5,715 in 3 years? It means rate we have to find, and the rate formula is SI into 100 divided by P into T. So SI we don't have, but we can find SI how? P is given, amount is given. So it means what we have done, amount equal P plus SI. So now SI is going to be simple amount minus P. So SI we can find it out using these two values. So SI is going to be, amount is 5715 minus P, that is 4,500. And when we simplify, I'll get 5 minus 0, 5, 1 minus 0, 1, 7 minus 5, 2, 5 minus 4, 1 to 1, 5, I got the SI. So now I'll put all the values. So rate equal SI, it is 1215 into 100 and P is 4,500. Always P will be less than the amount. Into time, that is given 3 years. 2020 got cancelled. Now 3 4s are 12, then 1 5, it means 0 5. So rate I got 405 by 45, and when we simplify we got 9%. Rate always comes in percentage, so it means rate for this question is 9%. Now one final question, and in that question we are going to find T, because everything we have done, only T is remaining. Now the final question of this video is, find the time when rupee 9,540 gave rupee 1,908 as interest at 8% per annum. So we have to find time. So time formula that we know, SI into 100 and P into rate. Whatever the values are given, we have to put in this formula. SI is 1908. It's given give rupee 1900 as interest. Interest means simple interest, that is SI, into 100 and pay 9540 into rate, that is 8%. Now do cancellation, 0 0. When we do cancellation, it will be 2 times, then 2 4s are and 2 2s are and 2 5s are. It means time we got 5 by 2 years. Now 5 by 2 years, if you want to convert into mixed fraction, so we can do 2 1 by 2 years. Now if anyone want to convert into month, that also we can do. So time equal 5 by 2 years we have, and when we want to convert into month, then we know into 12. Year to month we multiply with 12. 2 1s are, 2 6s are. So time equal 30 months. So suppose in case if they will ask you find number of months, it's 30 months. Otherwise this is the answer, 5 by 2 years or 2 1 by 2 years. So if any doubt you have in this video, ask in the comment box, and thanks for watching.